How to fix Facebook comment will appear when online. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to open Control Center on your phone. Now you have to make sure if your mobile data or your Wi-Fi is connected and it is working properly. Make sure that airplane mode is turned off, and that might help you solve the problem. And if it doesn't, what you need to do next is you want to go to the settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Date and Time. After that, you have to make sure it is set to automatically. Now go back to the home page of settings. Tap on General again. Tap on iPhone storage. It might take some time to load. After it is loaded, you need to scroll down and tap on Facebook. Then, as you do that, you will enter this page. Now you want to tap on Offload App and then offload it. Now you want to go back to the home page of settings. Now you need to scroll down and find Facebook here. Tap on Facebook. Now you make sure that all the important feature is being accessed by Facebook. That is how you can fix the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.